Ever felt your website scrolls felt flat and lifeless? Visitors scroll quickly past pages with zero emotional impact. You design beautiful pages, but engagement stays disappointingly low. Frustrating when your visuals don't tell a compelling story. Spent hours animating, yet results feel clunky and inconsistent. Plugins felt limited or required tedious custom coding. You need smoother, narrative-driven scroll effects that convert. Meet ScrollSequence, a background media and content animation engine. Built for WordPress, designed for storytellers and conversion-focused creators. No coding required. Visual sequencing handles everything smoothly. Create immersive scroll animations that guide user attention precisely. Seamless background media transitions keep pages feeling fluid and alive. Control layers, timing, and movement with an intuitive interface. Perfect for web designers, WordPress developers, and digital marketers. AppSumo currently offers the best deal on ScrollSequence. Affordable licensing, rapid setup, and lifetime value for creators. Let me show a quick example of ScrollSequence in action. Start by adding a background media layer in WordPress. Drag content blocks onto the scroll timeline with ease. Set keyframes for position, scale, opacity, and playback. Preview in real time. Instant feedback for tweaks. No code, just visual controls and familiar WordPress workflow. Add narrative pauses and reveal elements as users scroll. Combine video, images, and HTML content seamlessly along scroll. Set smooth easing for natural cinematic motion and pacing. Preview on desktop and mobile for responsive assurance. Export or publish directly to your WordPress site. See immediate uplift in time on page and clicks. Stories feel coherent. CTAs get noticed more often. One client increased engagement by over 30% quickly. Another designer sped up project delivery without extra developers. No heavy code reviews, fewer compatibility headaches, less testing. Perfect for landing pages, product stories, and long-form articles. It helps craft narrative journeys that guide conversions naturally. Layer blending, parallax, scrub playback, and synchronized audio support. Built-in presets accelerate setup for common storytelling patterns. Customize easing curves, durations, and trigger points precisely. Works with page builders and Gutenberg blocks seamlessly. Performance-minded features include lazy loading, optimized media, minimal footprint. Collaborate easily. Designers set sequences, developers tweak advanced options. Great for agencies delivering polished sites to demanding clients. Marketers can craft immersive product narratives that boost conversions. The learning curve is short. Documentation is practical and clear. Support responds with helpful examples and troubleshooting tips. Now back to a real page example. Quick before-after. Before, static hero image, low scroll interaction, weak conversion. After, layered video hero, scroll-timed reveals, CTA pops clearly. Bounce rates dropped, users explored further, conversions climbed. You get cinematic storytelling without sacrificing page speed. And setup time? Often under an hour for standard pages. If you worry about compatibility, ScrollSequence plays nicely everywhere. It respects responsive layouts and degrades gracefully on older browsers. For developers, APIs and hooks let you extend functionality easily. For designers, the visual timeline feels familiar and powerful. For marketers, narrative sequences turn passive visitors into engaged prospects. Pricing on AppSumo makes this tool accessible to freelance teams. Limited-time deals mean more features for less budget. Grab the AppSumo offer to lock a great price. Ready to level up storytelling on your WordPress site? Try ScrollSequence risk-free via the AppSumo deal today. Install, experiment with presets, then customize sequences for clients. Share links, collect feedback, iterate quickly. Client approval accelerates. Designers praise its speed. Marketers praise conversion lift. Developers appreciate the extendable architecture and clean code base. If you build WordPress sites, ScrollSequence belongs in your toolkit. It turns scrolling into storytelling, not just page navigation. Boost engagement, highlight products, and drive more meaningful actions. The AppSumo deal makes trying it an easy decision. Curious? Click the link, see examples, and decide quickly. I've been recommending this to colleagues building interactive pages. You'll find the interface welcoming and creative possibilities endless. Small teams can deliver premium scroll experiences without heavy budgets. AppSumo stock may be limited. Act before it sells. Get ScrollSequence on AppSumo now and transform your pages. Make scrolling an experience. Your audience will thank you.